Yep. Hi everyone. I hope you all are doing good. So in this lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to create a bar plot. So data analysis journey where EDA is very important part. So you all know that the main intention behind EDA is to understand the data. Visualizations make much impact than many long lines. So and you all might have heard a quotation like a picture resembles thousand words. So to understand or explain the concept more deeper, I have taken this small list and I prepared this bar plot. So I'll explain you this code. Actually, when you are trying to develop a chart or map in using Python, we'll basically or mostly use Seaborn and Matplotlib. So for this bar plot, here I'm using Matplotlib. I've said like import matplotlib pyplot as plt and year a list have taken for few as 1998, 1999 and 2000. Number of vehicles, for example, the number of vehicles which were sold in that year, in that particular year. The variable C here is resembling the color of the column should present. I might I'll explain you here what is a variable. Variable is a container where you give a list or tuple or whatever you give it is. You assign it. You're storing the values in it. So here year, number of vehicles, C, and these three are called as variables where once again I'll repeat you 1998, 1999, 2000. These three numbers are stored as year as a variable. So I feel like you got some clarity about a variable. And sometimes when you hear like data frame, you should not get panic about what is data frame. We don't know about it. There is nothing a black hole here. There is not a huge concept. It's very simple. Data frame is combination of rows and columns. So for example, if you take any Excel, give me 1 second. So rows and columns, the data which is aligned or assigned within rows and columns is called data frame. So coming back to a topic, here we are creating bar plot. So as we are saying matplotlib.pyplot as plt, I mean I'm renaming. For example, Hem Kumar Reddy. So I can use as Hem Kumar Reddy as Hem. It is like nickname, right? So matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Every time we can't write this much long line, right? So that is why we all assign it as key. This is called as key. We are writing as plt. So plt dot bar. What is our intention here? Trying to create a bar plot, bar of year and number of vehicles. So this is like two-dimensional picture. You all know that 1D and 2D. So X and Y. So we are we need to say like what is X and what is Y. We'll even explain in the next lines. So comma width. So how much width I want in this bar plot. Each and every column, how much should be my width? I have assigned here 0 0.8. So to understand the difference, I'm assigning 0 0.4. So the width of these columns have decreased. To have good resemblance, we might for this video I'm using 0 0.8. So and again I'm using comma color is equals to C. For each and every column I'm assigning different color. That is why I'm saying color equals to C. And I'm deciding what is my x axis variable and what is my y axis variable. So that is where I'm even saying x label. What is my label? What should be my label? My x label should be here, and y label should be, oh sorry, there is small fault here. Yeah, y label is number of vehicles. Here is my x label. My dear Python, take all my years on x-axis and all number of vehicles on my y-axis. That is what I'm saying to the Python compiler. And what should be our title? So you can say like, uh, a picture without a title doesn't make any sense. Title gives a very initial or a small glimpse about the whole diagram. So here I am saying as number of vehicles per year. So whenever somebody looks at the this plot before they see a number of vehicles per year, okay, the number of vehicles sold per year, that's fine. And I'm saying plt dot title and I'm writing number of vehicles per year. Plt dot show. Plt dot show says like show me the diagram. Running it crazy. Yeah. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and even share with your friends who are in this data science journey. Please comment your valuable thoughts also. This will really help me to make much more good content in upcoming series. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you again.